Halo teman-teman dari Indonesia. Mari kita lihat tengok black hooded siskin saya ya. Di sini teman-teman, inilah black hooded siskin saya. Ya. Aku pakai black hooded siskin ini untuk poligami project saya ya. Ya, ini yang anak pertama daripada betina Canary Raza dari Europe ya. Ya. Yang di sini nomor 2 aku pakai betina lain. Warna betina ada sedikit hijau dengan kuning ya. So satu black hooded siskin jantan, aku pakai 2 betina burung kanari. Inilah dua-dua anak ya, daripada lain-lain betina. Ya. And here we have my black hooded siskin, which I produced 2 chicks from different female canary. This was a polygamy project, and this first male was produced from the black hooded siskin together with the Raza female canary, who has got a bronze color, and this is about a month, 2 weeks to 3 weeks old. Yeah, and it's a male. It's a beautiful male. It's got the marking of the siskin on the wing. Yeah, and here we have the second one, which I use a second female canary, who is lemonish green yellow. Yeah, and this one is almost a month old right now. Yeah, so this is from the father, this black hooded siskin. Yeah, who produce 2 chicks from different female. Yeah, both are male chicks. Thanks for watching the video, guys.